Hello, everyone. Today I'm with Ian Harris. He is the chairman of the board at Outcrop Silver, listed in the TSX under ticker symbol OCG. Ian, thank you so much for your time. Outcrop is advancing the Santa Ana high grade silver project. What are the key milestones investors should watch for over the next 12 to 18 months?
Sure. We have the advantage of a year-round drill program. We've got 4 drills running. We're about to update the resource estimate. We currently have 37 million ounces, but that's from 2023. So that should be a big catalyst for the company when that number comes out. And then following up, we're going to be getting into project de-risking. So we're going to start looking at putting the economics around the project. So these are all pretty big things happening in near term.
Wow. Very exciting, and it looks like a very full-packed year for the company. And also, now that Rob is stepping in as CEO and given your track record across the Americas, how are you aligning leadership with capital to move the project, the portfolio forward in a disciplined way?
So it's something we've done from the beginning. We've been very diligent in making sure that we are converting ounces as cheaply as possible. We have multiple targets. We're always ranking them. So the other part is I'm based in Colombia. I'm joining you today from Medellin. And I think that's a big part of it, to be able to actually watch from a day-to-day basis what's going on. We actually have in Treasury about 2 years worth of runway versus budget based on what we actually have in Treasury, which allows us to be way more disciplined and when we take in new capital. We've got strong partners. Eric Sprott is 21%. Jupiter Asset Management is 9.9%, which is a long-term, strong institution, part of the project, which allows us to be very strategic and making sure that we execute, but we have the money to do it. And the other one is watching the costs and also watching the cost of capital.
And that strategic vision is key, but also giving your experience from taking projects from exploration to development, it's very important and significant. And given that, how do you, what factors do you believe are very critical in taking, Outcrop and creating responsible, unlocking long-term value for the company?
So I'm a mining engineer, and I joined Outcrop Silver because I believe the Santa Ana project will be a future mine. It has the basic characteristics. There's some rocks back there that you can see. It's one of the, if not the highest grade undeveloped silver project in the world. And that is a very strong base. You know that the economics are going to be there. So what I look at, and especially living and working in South America since 1999, it's really about creating an amazing relationship locally where people feel identity with the project. Falan, the location of the project, has a long history with silver. It used to be a silver district during the Spanish times, and we talk about taking that legacy forward in a much better way. Right. And that has led to real strength locally, which has then grown to support regionally. So where we care, it's mostly the region of Tolima, which is the department we're in. I literally was yesterday in a meeting with the governor where she said, we want to support companies that are responsible. We want to do it faster. We want to find out how we can help you get this done faster. Right. So we've created a real partnership on a regional level with the government, and they're actually pushing us to get this thing moving forward as quickly as possible. And that's the type of relationships that you want to build. So I would say, I call it kind of a triangle: local strength, national regional reputation, and that drives political will. And even at our stage we are today, we're already seeing that. That is what really converts projects into mines in the future.
Fantastic. Well, Ian, thank you so much for your time and for that brief summary on the great things you're doing at Outcrop and all the exciting milestones coming up this year. We'll leave a link below for anybody that wants to connect with Ian, Rob, the team at Outcrop, or that wants to learn more and follow the story. Thank you so much.
Thank you.